In the world of luxury cars, two names stand above all, Rolls-Royce and Bugatti. One is the definition of elegance, royalty, and unmatched craftsmanship. The other is pure speed, innovation, and record-breaking performance. But when billionaires choose between Rolls-Royce and Bugatti, which masterpiece truly wins the crown? Today we're diving into the ultimate battle, Rolls-Royce versus Bugatti. Stay till the end because the final comparison will blow your mind. Car details. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. The Rolls-Royce Boat Tail is one of the most expensive and exclusive cars in the world. Designed to look like a luxury yacht on wheels, it features handcrafted bodywork, unique paint finishes, and a rear deck that opens like butterfly wings to reveal a champagne fridge and parasol set. The interior is fully customizable, with the world's finest leather and wood trims. With only 3 units made, each personalized to its billionaire owner, the boat tail costs around $28 million. It's not just a car, it's a private yacht experience on land. Rolls-Royce La Rose Noire Droptail. The La Rose Noire Droptail is even more exclusive, with only one in existence. Inspired by the black Baccarat rose, its design is both artistic and emotional. The interior is a masterpiece, featuring thousands of individually crafted wooden pieces forming a mosaic pattern. Powered by a V12 engine, it combines elegance with power. The price? Over $30 million, making it one of the most expensive cars ever made. This is luxury in its purest form. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport. On the other side of the battle is Bugatti. The Chiron Super Sport represents extreme performance. Its 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine produces nearly 1,600 horsepower, allowing it to reach speeds beyond 273 mph. The design is sleek and aerodynamic, crafted to cut through the air at insane speeds. Inside, it blends futuristic technology with premium leather and carbon fiber. Priced at around $3.5 million, it's a hypercar built for billionaires who want ultimate speed without sacrificing luxury. Bugatti Bolide. Then comes the Bugatti Bolide, a track-only hypercar that looks like it came straight from the future. It's stripped down for extreme performance, weighing under 1,400 kilograms, yet delivering 1,850 horsepower. The design is aggressive and futuristic, with sharp angles and aerodynamics that make it look more like a jet fighter than a car. The interior is minimal but focused purely on racing performance. With a price of $4.7 million, it's a billionaire's toy built only for the track. Bugatti Centodieci. Finally, the Bugatti Centodieci is a tribute to the legendary EB110. Limited to just 10 units, it features a unique design with retro styling cues mixed with modern Bugatti DNA. It's powered by the same monstrous W16 engine, producing 1,600 horsepower, and has a top speed of 236 mph. The interior is as luxurious as it is futuristic, blending comfort with speed. With a price tag of $9 million, the Centodieci is more than a car. It's a collector's dream. Rolls-Royce creates rolling pieces of art, built for billionaires who value elegance, prestige, and legacy. Bugatti, on the other hand, builds rockets on wheels, machines that push the limits of speed and engineering. One represents royalty, the other represents adrenaline. But both are reserved only for the world's richest. So the question is, if you had billionaire money, would you choose the unmatched elegance of Rolls-Royce or the record-breaking power of Bugatti? Drop your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping journeys into the world of ultimate luxury.